Hello everyone. As you know, we have started our lesson number 1 from book 3, Our Body of EVS. We have studied in that our body, which parts of our body we use for doing any action. So we have seen different parts of bodies are used for doing different actions. Now today we are going to see external organs. I have explained you what are external and what are internal organs. External means which we can see, they are called external organs. Now see in your textbook, you see the first point, that is external organs. The parts of our body that can be seen are known as external organs. Our face, hands and legs are some of our external organs. Now I will show you one picture. In this picture you can see different external organs are shown. You can see here head, eyes, ear, nose, mouth, tongue, fingers. These are the external organs, some external organs shown in this picture. Now we'll see one by one. The eyes, ears, nose, mouth, skin, which are called our sense organs, are also external organs. Now here you can see most of the organs shown in this picture are the sense organs. You know what are sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These organs are the 5 sense organs. Means from eyes, with the help of eyes you can see every picture or everything whatever is present around you. Ears help us to hear the voice, whatever voice is present nearby us. Nose help us to smell or odor. Okay, means it help to smell the substance. Tongue help us to taste the food. Whenever we keep any food on the tongue, it will tell us the taste of the food. Skin help us whenever we touch any substance, organ or any thing, we feel that thing, whether it is soft, hard, whatever it is, which type of thing or substance is there, we can feel it with the help of skin. So these are some sense organs of our body. They are also called external organs. We can see things around us with our eyes, we can hear things with our ears, we can smell things around us with our nose, we can feel things around us with our skin, we can taste food with our tongue. Seeing, hearing, smelling, feeling and tasting are the 5 senses that help us to know about the world around us. Now this is something given about the external organs. We have seen different pictures also. Now in your book, 2 exercises are given for you to do that. These are these 2. This you are going to do on your own. First you are going to circle the things that you can hear, and in second color the things that are hard to touch in red color and things that are soft to touch in green color. So this activity you are going to do, send it to me after finishing your work. Click the picture and send it to me. Do this in your textbook. Okay, now what is given? There are smells that we like and smells that we do not like. Now smell is about the nose. We like the smell of cake when it is being baked, but we quickly close our nose to block the bad smell of garbage. Now कचऱ्याचा वास आला की आपण लगेच नाक बंद करतो. But whenever we smell food, whatever we like, we smell it, we feel the odor also. We can feel things that are hard and smooth by touching them with our hands. As I explained you, skin help us to touch any organ. So by touching itself you can understand that whether the given substance is hard or soft. Our tongue helps us to taste food. We can tell the different tastes such as salty, sweet, bitter or sour by tasting the food. We use our hands and legs to do a number of things. Now see whichever body parts we have externally, how we use them in different actions. So these are the different external organs we have seen today. So for homework you are going to do this: circle the things that you can hear and color the things that are hard and soft. These two things you are going to do for your homework. And this much was about the external organs. Internal organs we'll study in the next period in deep. So for today we'll stop here. You try to understand the external organs. Read the lesson once again for your better understanding. So for today we'll stop here. Thank you.